Another day in paradise. Today we're gonna do a little gardening prep. Little project going on this morning. We're gonna go down by the road here, right underneath the power lines. We got a spot where we're gonna have a little garden this year. Probably throw some pumpkins down in there and some squash and whatever else we can get our hands on. See how it goes. First we gotta get down there and cut the grass down. The grass is about 2 feet high. Mow that down and get the tiller on the tractor and tiller up. See how it goes. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dave and this is Summit Outdoors. Appreciate you watching. What a beautiful day. It cooled down last night. 60 some degrees this morning, maybe even colder than that. It was like 64 not too long ago. Had to put a sweatshirt on again. Definitely enjoyable. Beautiful Sunday to get out here and do some gardening. Now we got the area cleaned off. We're going to dust the cobwebs off the rototiller. It's one of those implements that hardly ever gets used. But, nice to have. Where are you headed? Yeah, this rototiller is quick hitch compatible, but because I bought this used off a guy, they had already cut this, the drive shaft. So I think if I remember right now, I went to hook this up a couple years ago. I guess I used it last year. And the drive shaft is too short. So we're not going to be able to use the quick hitch, which is really nice. I'm going to have to do something about that. Okay, we're all set. We're going to attempt to rototill this area up over here. set the camera up over here and get some action. Pick out the rocks and all the other stuff out of here. Yeah. Smells like dirt. That'll make a nice little seed bed. Boy, it's pretty deep too. Boy, we're way down in there. Look at that. Well, we got the rototilling done by the side of the road here. There's that patch over there. We're gonna go across the road and see about the other spot we want to get filled up. Probably should have come over here and mowed first. Yeah, we might have to go get the mower. This looks pretty grassy. This is what we're looking at getting filled up right now in this little area right here. Pretty nice. Nice looking dirt. You can do some rock raking, I think. Come over after it rains maybe again and till it up one more time before we plant.